Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. It's me Junanjot Nihan. I'm a student of Rightsight Education, Sir C. So now I'm gonna be telling you about that how can we save the Amazon rainforest. For saving the Amazon rainforest, I will tell the peoples that please don't cut the trees. If they don't cut the trees, we can save the Amazon rainforest. There are different types of animals. Even the animals have the beauty of Amazon rainforest. So if the people don't cut the trees, animals can live there like monkey, bird, squirrel, chimpanzees, etc. We can plant different types of plants there, define the forest area so that the peoples can't build houses there, so that no one can disturb the normal life of the animals. To support the indigenous communities, and we can recycle the waste things from the Amazon rainforest. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.